Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning, face recognition, face detection, these are all part of supervised learning. We have also seen some videos of unsupervised learning, because supervised in the sense some algorithm is there with the help of which the image is detected, image is recognized. Unsupervised learning in the sense we have seen fruits and vegetable classification, we have seen cat and dog object detection. So these are classified according to the size, shape and some different parameters. So these are unsupervised learning. But today I am back with new creative video on attendance system. This video is really unique. We have seen one video on attendance system in which I created one pickle file. I have explained you in my previous video that what is pickle. It is this part of security. So first of all, before executing the program, I will show you the initial stage of the file. So now you can see here data. In data we can see here names. In names we can see here nothing. Nothing is there. This is a pickle file. Remember that there is nothing. Now we can see here training images. I have taken my images now, and where when this part are of styling and this thing. Now I will show you the main program where my attendance is created with pickle file in this program. So I will execute the program. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So I will load the train images in code and I will save it. I will load, then encode, yes, fine, and then save. Then I will open the webcam. Yes, but see it is showing here unknown, but my image is saved as name. Then I will stop. Okay, fine. Then I will show you the data and names. Here you can see here my name is there. So attendance is saved in pickle file. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, attendance system, then face recognition, then if possible keras, TensorFlow, image classification, then agent gender detection, then interesting videos, creative videos on machine learning. I will be back with more creative videos on React.js tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and if possible Node.js with TypeScript. And thanks for watching.